This year's AI, I'm telling you right now, if you're not using AI and the 2026 version, not the 2025 version, you're missing out. I'm going to show you something that could not be done last year, couldn't be done 2 months ago at the level it's being done now. So what I did was I went through and I'm going to show you two versions. So Chat GPT here, I'll really focus on this one. What I did was I asked Chat GPT, I uploaded some of the information about our offense. Obviously, we were looking at the defensive information, but I said, "Hey, give me an opening script. What do you think based on all the data you have of our offense and our opponent?" And here it is. It came up with a script. It tells me what it likes. All right. Hey, why do I like this sequence? What do I like about it? All of that. All right. And then I asked it to make some changes, and it did. All right. So let me get back up here. I'm going to show you something that is going to blow your mind. What is it? I have my call sheet. Or one of the most time-consuming aspects of game planning is building my call sheet and practice scripts. Our coaches, we have to go through, we do each individual part. It takes several hours to get the data. Well, now it doesn't. Now it just takes a few minutes. But I used to have to go in for these columns and add this data. What percentage they bring pressure? How much man do they play? Because that helps me during the game to be able to make adjustments and make calls based on what they're going to do. I don't have to do that. It did it for me. All right. And this is with a Chat GPT custom analyst, which, by the way, you can get access to with my AI resource. And in my AI resource, I give you everything you need to build your own. All right. You don't need mine. Build yours your way. I also will put a link to my call sheet. All right. I'm going to put a link to my call sheet, which I'll put a link down below for my offensive game planning packet. All right. Resource. It's all downloadable, fully customizable, and it's all the stuff you need if you're going to be good as an OC. All right. It's hundreds. In fact, I think we've had 3,500 coaches purchase that. All right. 17 or 1,800 purchase the offense, and about 17 or 1,800 purchase the defensive one. They love it. All right. But let's take a look. So here we go. It gives us our one side of my call sheet is our down and distance scripts. All right. By hash. So it has added our plays. Now, if I go down, look what else it added. It gave me some game planning notes. All right. Some different pieces to their profile defensively. It gave me a play menu. Now, listen, we have our play menu. I've uploaded it into our analyst. This is our menu. This is what it's good against, bad against. And then I include our self-scout data so it can kind of see this. All right. And then I asked it to make our practice scripts. And I said, we have a 15 play inside run hole Monday and Tuesday. We have a 15 play pass hole, and we have a 20 play team period. All those on Monday and Tuesday. One of the hardest things to do, most time consuming, is to build your script and script the defenses that you're going to go against. It takes time. This did it for us. Now I can take and use this as is, or I can go in and tweak it. I can adjust it. But instead of starting from scratch, I have this with their front blitz and coverage already added in. So I don't have to do this. And then, of course, we get a quick tendency piece. How awesome is that? So that's what AI, that's 2026 AI. It filled in our call sheet. It filled in our practice scripts for us. And then I'll just copy and paste this into our weekly practice plan. All right. That's amazing. With Magica, so I'm going to show you Magica here. Created two downloadables for us. All right. Gave us a little overview of what it did for our call sheet. Gave us a down and distance breakdown because what we were doing was filling in those down and distance scripts. It gave us an opening script. All right. And then it gave us some highlights, some practice script highlights, and some coaching points. And you can see, we can click, and we can see what it gave us for our call sheet. And again, it filled in all of the information. And we could tell it to change the colors if we wanted to. All right. And then it gave us our scripts. Monday inside run, Monday pass hole, Monday team, Tuesday inside run, pass hole team, opening script. So you can see how much time is this going to save you. I told you guys, AI is going to save you time. It's going to also help you score a lot more points.